going to harvest the vegetables. But first, before we do, there's a little thing poking out. It's really funny. Okay, the scissors. First, I'm going to cut the peppers. Peppers, guys. That's where I'm gonna put my stuff. It's okay if it's on the rain barrel. When I wash it, this will get all the water on it and it'll go through and like re-water the plants. Isn't this a beauty? So what I wanted to show you about the cucumbers. Does this look like a cucumber on a cucumber plant? No, right? It looks different. It's just a ball. This one, I don't know what it is. I'm just gonna harvest it. It's yellow. Basil there. I put topping soil to clear it up a bit. Ooh, we got some lettuce growing. It's not ready yet. Ooh, check out the beets, guys. Look at the beets. They're ready. Here we go, guys. My first beet ever. This is so cool. I've never grown a beet before. That is awesome. Put it right here. Doing the next one. 3, 2, 1. It's a different kind of beet. Maybe I should grow like lettuce around here as well. Now that I think of it. Look at this fat cucumber. So I gotta twist it. Just keep twisting it until the stem. There you go. Vegetables can be strange in many ways, and still they're tasty. And they're always gonna be tasty because they're a vegetable. Start some lettuce. So nice, beautiful lettuce. Beautiful. So what my plants have so far.